We got some pound cake from Safeway yesterday. Sara Lee. That's one of my childhood favorite pound cakes. We're gonna have that for breakfast today.
Papa.
Bao? Yeah, it's like bread, right? Bao. It's bread in Cantonese. We're staying at an RV campground right now, so we can use more power and we can turn on the oven. This is a microwave air fryer oven, which is a really nice combo for our little space here.
Papa.
I know. We gotta brush our teeth first. We gotta brush our teeth, Spence. Say Thank you, buddy. Yeah. It smells so good, Spence. Hold on. Oh, this is gonna be so good. You never had Sara Lee before. This is gonna be your first time. Is it yummy? He thinks I'm going outside. I'm not going outside. I'm just gonna open this. I'm not going outside. I'm just opening the window, the door. Okay, we can. I'm gonna open up the bug screen and have the door open because I'm gonna cook some bacon. We don't want the grease to go all over the screen here. Let's roll it up. Hopefully there's not too many bugs. It's kind of chilly now too. I think all the bugs are gone. Let me show you guys the best way to cook bacon. The best way to make bacon is to twist them before you cook them. By twisting it before putting it in the pan, I'm able to put the entire pack of bacon into the pan. You know how annoying it is to have to cook it twice because your pan isn't big enough. There's no difference in the quality of the bacon. It tastes just the same. It's actually easy to handle too because it's like a stick once it's done. Getting pretty smoky here. The bacon. Good thing we got the door open and our fan. I'm gonna get it to a really nice crisp. The crunchy ones. Those are my favorite. How do you like your bacon? Alright, we are done with the bacon. Looking good. This is my favorite way to make bacon. Hope you guys enjoy. Alright, let's use this bacon grease and make some eggs. Yeah, but this bacon came out pretty good. What do you think? Today's day 1450 of us living the van lifestyle. We're a family of 3 traveling through the United States. We are currently in Cottonwood, Arizona. We're staying at an RV campground today, and this is where we slept last night. They almost didn't let us stay at this campground because we don't have an official RV. I guess they're enforcing some sort of rule where you can only stay here if you are official, and they were looking for a RVIA sticker, which we don't have because our van isn't manufactured by an RV company. We made it ourselves. And so they put us into a tent site, which is fine because there's still electric and water. That's all we really need. It's a little bit smaller than the other sites that the other RVs have, but we're fine with it. We're okay. This is a 1,000 trail campground called Verde Valley, and they actually asked us to put up tents here because this is a tent site. So the tents that we put up are these tents. This is Spencer's little tent, and we have a little sunshade for this for when we're in like the beach or something. So whatever, it's a tent site. So this is where we're staying. We're going to be staying in this campground for another day or two. We actually booked it for 3 nights because we are part of the 1,000 Trail member, and we can basically stay here for free after paying the annual fee. So we can stay up to 14 days if we wanted to, but we're gonna just be here for like 2 to 3 days. Let me show you guys around the campground. We're gonna be kind of just hanging out here. We wanna check out the pool, we wanna check out the hot tub. Let me walk over to the hot tub area. Just wanna check it out before I bring Spencer and Rena over. This RV campground is actually really packed. Here's the playground here. Got a few swings. It's not for toddlers though. Spencer can play on these. There's a slide here. There's a play structure over there. Volleyball court. Alright, the pool is an outdoor pool. I wonder if the water is going to be cold. Kind of chilly today. I don't know if anyone's going in the pool today. This is the pool. If the water's warm. That's okay. It's not very cold. Probably not going to go in the pool. But the hot tub looks pretty good. Let's see. Yeah, here's the hot tub. Yeah, nice and warm. Yeah, we can definitely come out here in a little bit. Alright, let's see what else they got here. For recreation, they got horseshoe. It's a tennis court. Actually, there's a pickleball court. Basketball too. We got the 1,000 Trail basic membership, which is a yearly fee of about like $700. We got it on Black Friday last year, and I think there was like a bit of a discount there. So once you get the pass, you can select a region of where you want to stay mostly. So we picked the southwest of the US, which is like California, Nevada, Arizona, and we were able to stay at the campgrounds within that zone for free for the entire year. But there are some limitations though. The max that you can stay at one given reservation is 14 days. And then after 14 days, you have to be out of the system for 7 days before you can make another reservation. And then you can do another 14 days, up to 14 days. Or if you stay less than 4 days within a campground, you can keep hopping into the next campground if you stay less than 4 days every time. So you can bounce around campgrounds. That's a pretty cool little feature there. And 1,000 Trails are one of the campgrounds that we stay at while we're camping. There's a ton in California. We really enjoy them because they're usually pretty packed with amenities and comfortable for the most part. Yeah, we stayed in a bunch of them in Florida, and when we're traveling through Arcadia National Park, there's a few nearby, Virginia. So we do enjoy staying at the 1,000 Trail campgrounds. But because of the little issue with the RVIA sticker that they're requiring now, we don't know if we're going to renew the membership, to be honest. 1,000 Trail does offer a premium, I think it's called the Adventure Package, where you pay like a ridiculous amount, like $17,000 one-time fee, but then there's also the annual fees, which allows you to stay in all of the campgrounds in the country. And there's no limitation. I think there's a 21-day max, but there's no blackout or a pause period between the reservations, so you can just hop around, which would be pretty neat if you're like a full-time RVer or something like that, where you need to have a campground or camp space. I see a lot of these fifth wheelers, these really big RVs. They use the 1,000 Trail campgrounds a lot because they're not moving as often as we are. So we're pretty mobile when we're out and about. So these guys, they'll park their large rig here, and then they'll drive a smaller rig somewhere else to explore the area. I mean, that's a pretty cool way to explore, to do camping too. It kind of slows down their pace a little bit compared to us because they're in an area for a little bit longer than we are at one time. If you guys want to find out a little bit more about the way of camping with 1,000 Trail, I'll put an affiliate link below. I think there's going to be some sort of discount if you use the link. You guys want to check it out? Let's go on a trike ride, Spence. Oh. Spencer's not really loving his helmet. So he's okay right now. So he's gonna wear it for a little bit longer, even if he's not on his scooter or bike. Where are you? What you doing, Spence?
Gone home, walk on home, it said, walk so full down I lie. But before
Spencer woke up from his nap, and so did I.
Mama.
Yeah, we're gonna go over to the hot tub now. I wonder if we can cross through here. You know, I think we gotta go around.
Mama.
Alright, let's go the other way. Yeah, we're gonna go to the hot tub, and we need to take a little shower as well, Spence. And it's getting dark pretty quickly, pretty early now here. There you go. This is so nice, isn't it, Spence? We got the spa all to ourselves. Too bad Mama's not coming because she's a little bit sick. Yeah, you like this, huh? You enjoying this hot tub, Spence? Yeah. Just got back from the hot tub and we took a shower. And gonna be making some dinner now. Gonna be making a steak for myself. And we're gonna be making some black pepper beef with rice for Rena and Spencer. Let's not climb up here, Spence. Dada's cooking.
Yep.
I know you want to come up here. But this is the oil is splattering everywhere, so I'm gonna stay down, okay? I'm also making some scallop for tonight. These are the Hokkaido scallops. One of the hardest things is to get a really nice sear on the scallops. I mean, sometimes I get it, sometimes I don't. Let's see if I can get it today. I'll do it for a little bit longer. A little sear. Oh, this one looks good. People ask me like how I can eat a steak or beef every day. If you're really hungry and you can smell what I smell right now, this is so delicious. It's gonna be so delicious. It just smells so great. The garlic butter and the rosemary. This is gonna be the black pepper beef over rice. And I'm just gonna be using a pre-made sauce here from Lake Amge. It's almost ready. Here is my steak. Let me get this thing cut.
Mama.
There's a big spoon you have.
This is what we're eating for tonight. We got the steak here, got scallops. Rena's got the beef and rice. And Spencer's having rice and maybe a little beef later. Mommy?
Papa.
Bye-bye. Not yet, Spencer. Strawberries? Let's do some strawberries. Oh, you want blueberries? We just got done with dinner and we're gonna have to clean up and we're gonna hang out in the van for the rest of the night. We're probably gonna be leaving the campground tomorrow. Maybe, maybe not. We still have another night if we wanted to stay, but it's definitely a slower pace for us here. Not much to do, and we're thinking we're gonna be heading over to Vegas in the next day or two. So stay tuned if you guys want to watch that. If you guys like watching real van life content, be sure to hit that like and subscribe button, and we will catch you guys in tomorrow's video. Bye.